It's a gopher.
Una ardilla de tierra.
It runs fast.
Corre muy rápido.
It does not climb trees.
No se sube a los árboles.
It lives in the ground.
Vive en la tierra.
It digs holes.
Escarba hoyos.
It's curious about Susan.
Tiene curiosidad sobre Susan.
It wants food.
Quiere algo de comida.
It's smelling Susan's shoes.
Está oliendo los zapatos de Susan.
Let's play in the playground.
Vamos al campo de juegos.
Jalisco has the camera.
Jalisco trae la cámara.
He's climbing up.
Él está escalando
And climbing down.
y bajándose.
And climbing through.
Y atravesando túneles.
Jalisco's going through the tunnel. It's a new toy.
Es un juguete nuevo.
It's a marble maze.
So you can make your
Un
own
laberinto de
can.
canicas.
And it even comes with your own marble.
Wait, should we open it up? Okay, let's open it up and you can dump it out.
Wow.
Let's open it.
Vamos a abrirlo.
These are what the marbles look like.
Oh, cute.
Look, these are what the marbles look like.
Marbles.
Canicas.
The pieces are different colors.
Piezas de diferentes colores.
This one has
And the marbles go out
holes
different
at the bottom
directions.
so that the marble can
Y las canicas salen en diferentes direcciones.
This one has two openings so the
Put the marble
can go
in.
on two sides.
Solo échale la canica.
Let's go around.
Ahora caminemos alrededor.
This part looks like rocky ground.
Esta parte se parece al suelo rocoso.
Susan has joined us.
Susan se nos une.
Yeah.
Let's go down the slide.
Nos deslicemos por el tobogán.
Now we can do stack blocks on top.
You slide the pieces together.
Marble.
Las piezas se ensamblan juntas.
How do they fit together?
So you slide them in from the bottom, and you see these things. You slide them in from the middle. And let me show you something even cooler. You can also slide it in from these ones. So there's like a little opening on this side, and the marble can get in.
Jalisco puts the pieces together.
Jalisco ensambla las piezas.
And they stack up on top of each other like this.
What will happen when we put in marbles?
¿Qué pasará cuando le pongamos canicas?
They fall down
Las canicas caen
and go out the holes.
y salen por los agujeros.
Wait, it's filming?
Let's go back in the playground.
Regresemos al área de juegos.
Oh, did you see Susan?
¿Viste a Susan?
That's my sister.
Ella es mi hermana.
These are my shoes.
Estos son mis zapatos.
Okay, I'm going down the black slide, Susan.
Oh, not this way.
Ahora de este lado.
Wait, but I already did.
Let's go down the black slide.
Bajemos por el tobogán negro.
Up the rope ladder.
Subamos las escaleras de cuerda.
Yeah, I already did that once. I'll do it again. Wait, let me get your face. Yeah, we can see you a little bit. Not that good, but
There, Susan.
Aquí está Susan.
Down the red slide.
Bajando el tobogán rojo.
let's go.
Now down the black slide.
De nuevo el tobogán negro.
Okay, Susan, can you go up the black? Can you go upstairs to the black slide again so I can get you coming down the black slide?
We are having fun.
Nos estamos divirtiendo.
Oh. Look, I made this marble set. Isn't it cool?
You put marbles in and they travel down.
But those ones. Not one. Has to be more.
Move your hand out of the way. The marbles are rolling away.
Las canicas se están deslizando.
The marbles go down through the holes.
Las canicas se deslizan por las ranuras.
They go different ways.
Toman diferentes rumbos.
Okay, you guys, make sure you move your hand. Like, drop them quick and move your hand because your hand blocks most of them traveling through. Okay, go ahead, try again.
It's not my looking. It's not my looking.
Oh no, they're stuck. Oh no, it's falling apart.
Oh no, se está rompiendo.
Falling. Ah, it crashed.
Oh, ya chocó.
Which way should we go?
¿Qué camino podremos elegir?
This time Susan's in the lead.
Esta ocasión, Susan va por delante.
Let's follow her.
Vamos a seguirla.
Susan wants to go down the slide.
Susan quiere bajar por el tobogán.